Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is near coin or near protocol coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical answers as well as I'll be talking about important levels. So let's begin. So you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend lines. So you can see this is the support trend line, okay, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So previously the candles went to the resistance level, then fall happened, again the candles went up, and then fall, continuously fall is happening. So you can see there is this resistance over here, and after hitting this resistance trend line, continuously the candles are falling. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, and you can see after fall the candles have come down support level, and in this support the candles may move a little sideways, and after breakout it may start moving towards this resistance level. Again the fall may take place. So this resistance is around 8.6 and the support is around 1.1. so candles may move to this resistance level and then fall may take place, and in case if it gives a breakout it may go to the next resistance level, which is around 20.61. okay, so this is the next resistance level. Okay, and continuously the candles may move in sideways, and if you go to the weekly chart also you can see the candles were moving a little sideways, and if you draw the trend line, okay, so previously you can see candles were moving in this channel pattern. So this is support and this resistance, and then breakout happened, then candles are falling. Okay, so you can see that, and candles after the breakout it may go to the resistance level and then fall may take place. Okay, so you can see the candles may move in this sideways channel pattern. Okay, and after breakout it may start moving towards this next resistance level. Okay, so this resistance is around 1.7995 and then fall is happening. So after the breakout it moves to this resistance level, that fall takes place. After the breakout again may go up, fall, and then finally after breakout from here, from this downtrend channel pattern, the uptrend channel pattern may start and it may move to this resistance level. Now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is $1.20. it is up by 1.92%. rank is around 43. Around 866k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is 1.55 billion. Volume 24 hours is 178 million. Total supply is 1.29 billion, and you can see holder count is 11.55k holders for this cryptocurrency. So now I'll go to the chart, and whenever you see an opportunity, always have a stop loss, okay, to prevent any major losses. Okay, so here you can see after this fall you can see the breakout happened, and then candles started moving in this downtrend channel pattern, and after the breakout the candles may move to this resistance level and then continuously fall started, and from here if the breakout happens it may move to the resistance level and then fall may take place. So like this it is moving in this channel pattern. You can see complete little sideways, so candles may come to this resistance level and then fall may take place. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.